This is an ABC Action News Tracking the Tropics update.
Brought to you by the Wise Company. You can't prevent certain events in life, but you can prepare for them.
I'm meteorologist Shay Ryan with an update on our forecast. So let's get the tough stuff out of the way first. We're talking about tropical depression number 14. Right now, 35-mile-per-hour maximum sustained winds, and you can see it is starting to organize a bit, but still pretty ragged at the moment. Over the next couple of days, it is going to become more organized as it generally makes a path to the north near the Yucatan Peninsula and is expected to strengthen, possibly becoming a Cat 1 hurricane before making landfall somewhere around the panhandle of Florida. So what about the impacts to Tampa Bay? We're looking at beneficial rains, and we are going to see some higher waves in our Gulf waters. So again, boaters definitely want to be aware of this system. Beachgoers want to be aware there will be an increased risk of rip currents as it works its way north in the Gulf. But otherwise, most of us are just going to notice possibly a couple of breezier afternoons and some beneficial rains. So the temps will also come down. The rest of the tropics are quiet. We're still watching Leslie out there in the Atlantic, but again, is not any threat to land. Here's our tropical depression number 14. And off the coast of Africa, we may see another system developing here over the next couple of days, but it is not going to have any impact on our weather.
In 2017, the USA experienced record-breaking storms. 2018 is predicted to be just as severe. If you feel at risk, you are not alone. Protect your family for up to 25 years. Call Wise Food Storage and stock up on their easy-to-prepare foods that have a shelf life of up to 25 years. In a crisis, don't worry about what your family will eat. Call or go online to request a sample. 1-800-880-3930. Prepare now.